Alright guys, today I want to show you how to build an AI agent that takes stuff, let's say images that you store in Google Drive and text that you store in Google Sheet, match them and post them on any social media handle. Today in this use case I'll be using LinkedIn. Yeah, but you can use any other social media you want. Yeah, let's imagine that you have some particular images which you already have generated, let's say some graphics that you already generated, and you have them on Google Drive, and then there are some text which you have them as well, and you have them in, let's say, Google Sheet, and you want to match the text with the images from Google Drive and post them on your social media handles, let's say LinkedIn in this case. How do you do that? So today I'm about to show you how you can actually do that. So let's get onto it. So we're using Google Drive, for example, Google Drive and Google Sheet, right? So I'm going to create a Google Sheet here. I'm going to create a Google Sheet and let name it, for example, a agent sheet. Oh, sorry, sheet, right? And just want to make sure that okay, it is under this okay, and then I'm going to have some images. Okay, I already have some images here. This is image one. I have some images here, image one and image two. All right, those are my two images here, and I want to match them on. I want to match them with the text which I'm going to add here. All right, and post them on LinkedIn. So today that's what I want to show you. So now, how do we do that? Super simple steps. Now let's go. So here's the thing. So already I have the images here. So all I need to do is to grab the link of the images. So you right click on it, take share, and it's taking some time. Load, take share, and I'm going to change this to anyone with the link, right? And then copy link and take OK. Then here I want to post it here. Let's name this images, and let's say here caption text, images and caption text. So I'm going to drop the link of the image here, right? And let me just make use cases of two images. Then the text here I'm going to say, let's say image one, image one, for example. And then okay, then I'll do same for the second image. If I have as many images as possible, I just need to share. I could also share the folder. Okay, so I'm just going to click here, click on share, and you want to make sure that yeah, it's you have general access to it. Okay, it's not restricted. So yeah, okay. Then I'm going to copy the link as well. Done, and then I'm going to paste it here, and image two, image two for LinkedIn. Just add some word here for LinkedIn. Yeah, sure, cool. So I already have that set up. Now let's go to. So the thing is, what you have the images here, and what I did is I just grabbed the links of the images here, and I pasted them here in the text in the Google Sheet, and yeah, and I added the caption text for it as well. So now let's go back to our workflow. So in this workflow, I'm going to link the Google Sheet. So guys, so the workflow is already prepared. If you need it, all you have to do is to just send me just follow, subscribe, and like, and then send me a DM, and I'm going to send you um the template. The template is actually available. Once you subscribe and like, just send me a DM, or just leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to send you the link to download it. Okay, so yeah, so let's continue. So right, so here I'm going to let me just open this up. This is I just added a Google Note here. I'm just going to explain this since I don't want to take most of your time. So to open it, double click on this, and I'm going to add a credential. Then I'm going to sign in with I'm going to sign in with my Google Sheet email. The email I used, I think, was papcyai.com. This one right here. So I'm going to sign in with this one. Then select all to have access and continue. Cool. Yeah, it's connected. All right. So now, yeah, which so here I'm going to click here and make sure that I'm connected to, yeah, make sure I select the account, the Google Sheet account. Then I'm going to select here from the list, and then click here, and now should be able to see the name of the sheet which I created. I click on it to select it. Then if I click here as well, or here, I should be able to see the name of the sheet, right? So this is the sheet here, and the name of the sheet is sheet one. So you can rename it to, if you have so many sheets, you can rename it as well, of course. So cool. Now it's already connected. So the next thing I need to do is to link in my Telegram. Okay, so actually I already have a Telegram account. And now I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram bot. I actually have a video on that, so I'll not explain much on that. But if you want to create a Telegram bot, let's say just go to Telegram and search for bot father, and then you select the verified bot father. You click on it, then you just say you say new bot. Once you type start, click on new bot, and then once you select new bot, it asks you for the name of the bot. You rename it, and then yes, of course, it also asks you to yeah, stuff. So you just do that. All right, cool. So now when you successfully created it, it provides you with a token, the token you have here. Then you just copy it. Then I'm going to move over to, okay, I already have my account here. So this is it here. So if I click here, it takes me right to my bot. So I just copy the token over here. I have a video on this guy. So yeah, then I just paste it here, and then I save. Once I save, it connects. Okay. So now the next thing is to make sure I link all the Telegram. Since I already have it connected, I'm just going to click here, and most importantly, the chat ID. But now the thing is, I need to grab the chat ID. So the chat ID is usually comes from Telegram. So what I'm going to do is I'll just do this, right click. I'm just going to highlight all these notes. I'll just right click here since I'm not then you're connected, and I'm going to deactivate it. The shortcut is Control plus D to deactivate it. Then I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on execute here. Then I'll just go to Telegram and I hit hi, for example. Then you see that here. Then if I can double click here now, I should be able to see my chat ID. So you see it here. So let me go to JSON, or of course let me go to, yeah, to click on schema. So if I look here under chat here, I should be able to see my chat ID. So this is my chat ID. I'll copy it over. Now I'm going to right click here again, and then deactivate. So just right click and take deactivate, or you can just press D. Cool. So now I'm going to change all this ID here to my ID. So let me just do that. Here, chat ID, today's, and today's. So another way to do this too is just to drag and drop. But if you like, you can see drag and drop from the schema right to here, and it will still work. But I'm not going to do that at the moment. Just want to input the chat ID so you see how it works. And the last one here. Cool. So what actually happens is it gets the details from the Google Sheet, processes it. So the next node I have here, this node here, find the next post here. It's actually I actually built added the JavaScript code here. All right, added the JavaScript code here that actually selects the sheets, or it selects the column sequentially. Let's say this is column 1, column 2, column 3, and you go on. So it selects, so after it selects one, on the next time it wants to post, it goes to number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. Okay, so I already have that all set up. So now another thing as well is to download the images. And to download the images, it has to be a binary file. Okay, so you using an HTTP request here, so I could download the images and then convert them to a binary file before I actually send them to Telegram, or before you can actually post a LinkedIn. So you must be converted from the raw image to binary file. All right, cool. So yeah, so now I already have that set up, and the next thing to do is yeah, let me just check it go one more time here if everything's okay here. Cool. So now what I need to do now is, so if I go to, okay, one more thing here. update Google Sheet here. So I'm going to click on Google Sheet. Just make sure that I select the account. We're to update the row from here. So after it's posted, then it should update the date and the time in Google Sheet, and if it was posted or not. Yeah, just like that. Cool. You have it. Um, let's see. Yeah, this is like from images. Okay. Yeah. Cool. You could still cool. Yeah. So now, if I should hit execute here, then what it does is it goes, it grabs the details, then it should be able to bring them here. Say no pending post found. Workflow ended without posting. So using no eligible post was found. Check your Google Sheet to ensure the post is okay. Okay, so yeah, there's an issue of, let me see. The issue should be in the Google Sheet. Blah blah blah. Okay, this is that. Okay, so the thing is, if we go back here and then go to, let me check the JavaScript I got here. Oh, so okay. So here's the issue. The issue here I have is, so the Google Sheet is supposed to be having the numbers column, the caption, the image URL, the image in this. So it's supposed to be in this format. I guess that's the reason why. All right, let's try. Let's try to fix the Google Sheet. So here, inside here, it should be having number, and here caption, and then here image. Okay. So here is it. I'll copy this link. Maybe just get from here and then put it here, then get from here again, then put it here. Then let's say this one is now going to be number one and this is number two. Yeah, okay, now let me just adjust the columns. Yeah, like that. Let me shift this a little bit. Cool. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all and then just fix it. Let me just align it to the left. Then I'm going to click here and then just make this, let's see. Oh, sorry. No. I'm just going to click here and make this one, just make just the heading, yeah, caption, so that it's clear enough. Cool. Okay, so yeah, this now should work. Let's try it again. So if I go back to this uh to the workflow and then I hit okay, let's execute now. Yeah, cool. So it now ready. So the issue um was with the way the Google Sheet uh, um was configured, right? So yeah, so this is the right way, guys. All right, so now if I can go back here, so if I go back to my Telegram, yeah, I should be able to see it here. So I see see this is the image. So first it shows the image, so this it shows the image here, and then you have this title here, the LinkedIn post. There's a pin post number two. That's because I initiated the first post, right? And you have um image one. So this image is with image one, and then if, to confirm that it's, I can actually go in here, and then if I hover my mouse here, you see this is the image with column one. So this is the image, and then yeah, this is the image of column two. Cool. So if I hit on, so now here I have here two buttons here, decline or approve. So if I approve, it goes ahead to post in LinkedIn. If I decline, then it's going to, okay, let's try this. So let's hit approve first, and I'm going to hit approve. Then if I can go back to the workflow, I should be able to see, oh sorry, okay, the workflow, okay, it stopped because I failed to configure, I didn't configure them my LinkedIn. So I'm going to link my LinkedIn account. Oh, let me see which one is this. Okay, okay, to come, okay, let me just delete this and do it again so you can see. So here I'm going to click on new credentials. I don't want to post as linked as an organization. I will disable that. Click leave legacy on. Click here and see link to my, this is my LinkedIn account. Here, yeah, just like that, and then close. Then I'm going to click here and make sure I select the account again just to confirm. Then here I should be able to show my name. And then yeah, this now should work. So I'm going to clear it off. I'm going to save this. Okay. Then I'm going to give it again another try. So if I hit this again, so it goes pick the image, send it to me on WhatsApp. So it's still supposed to be the same thing since I didn't confirm, right? Because what it actually does is after it's posted, it's supposed to update the details in the Google Sheet. Okay. So now I'm going to click on approve and okay. And now if I go back to this, if I go back to the workflow again, you see it actually went and posted to LinkedIn, right? And then okay, where it has an issue now, it's here. It failed to um it failed to update on Google Sheet now because I tried manual, I did changes with the column and I didn't fix it. So yeah, I need to confirm that. Or what I can do is I can just put on auto mapped input into the column just like that. And then if I should hit execute here, then it should be able to update the Google Sheet. Cool. So if I go to Google Sheet right now, you see that it posted and then it actually it had a status that the LinkedIn has been posted and the date at which it posted. Okay, cool. So that works. Now, if I should go to my LinkedIn account, let me see if I'll put my LinkedIn account here. So if I go to my LinkedIn account, click on my LinkedIn here, I should be able to see the post. Should be able to be here, right here, guys, right here. Cool. So let me delete it off. No, I don't want to. So just click here, hit on delete post. Yeah, I don't want it to be there. Yeah, cool. All right, so that is it, guys. Now let's try to see if it will post since it already posted. Since it already posted, right? Now let's try to see if it will post the second image. Okay, so if I go here, if I go back to the workflow again, and then I hit execute workflow, let's see if it will try to post the second. It goes, processes it, confirm. Now it prompted me. Boom, guys! It prompted me the second image to post. All right. So if I hit approve, then it's going to post again. So if I hit decline, for example, if I hit decline, now it's going to continue with the flow. And then as you can see here, then it goes, okay, here it's failing again because again, I failed to update. So I'm going to click here, then update to the shade. Then here again, then update with sheet 1. Then here I'm just going to make it to be auto and then match it from number 1, just like that. So if I should test, if I should execute this step right now, yeah, it should update the Google Sheet and then the post status now will be declined, which means that it didn't post in LinkedIn. As you can see, there's no ID here which says it posted from LinkedIn, and then you see here it says decline and the date here. All right, guys. So this is how this works. All right. So this is just a way to make it to add human in the loop, just to confirm the post which it's about to be posted before it actually posts. All right. So the other thing is you could also make it in such a way that it's automatic. All right. You don't need human in the loop. You don't need to confirm first before it posts. Yeah, once it generates or once it pulls the data, it just matches together and then posts. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. So thank you very much. Let me know if there's anything you want me to build, and I'm going to build, and then and I will upload. All right. Thank you very much. If you have any question, my email is in the email section. It's in the bio. So you just text me, and I'm going to respond. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.